Good evening, everybody. This is Frankie here with a weather forecast update for Pullman, Washington, the Palouse, and surrounding vicinity. First, we're going to talk about the snow here. We're finally going to see some snow, a couple of them, a couple snow systems that'll be moving across the area. The first one, Sunday afternoon, rain. We're going to see rain during the morning hours, but that rain will slowly transition to snow during the afternoon hours and into the evening. And we could see 1 to 2 inches across the Palouse, so Pullman, Garfield, those areas, possibly some higher amounts there. The models are indicating in between Spokane and Pullman. So, but it's gonna kind of take a while for the models to really get a handle on the situation, because the models are not 100% all the time, and we have to get them to agree to be able to get a confident forecast. And with temperatures being so marginal, it's just so hard to say exactly how much snow we might get. If it gets a little colder, we could get a little bit more. If it stays warmer, it might stay rain. It's just right on the edge there. So also going forward here, I'm concerned about the rainfall as well, because we're expected to see well over 1 inch of quantitative precipitation with the snow and the rain combined. And there's some pretty sharp rises happening now on the South Fork of the Palouse River, Paradise Creek at Pullman, in which I'll show you at the end of this video. I'll show you a little bit of footage on that. Starting to come up pretty quick. But we got the 10-day forecast in here, and you can see that rain changing to snow Sunday night to Monday, probably 1 to 2 inches on the Palouse, locally up to 3 on the higher benches. And then we see cloudy conditions on Tuesday, but another system moves in with more snow Tuesday night to Wednesday. That's when we could see more like a 2 to 4 inch snow event on the Palouse. So that'd be our biggest snow yet. Usually we have a lot more snow by now. But I think the back half of January into February is going to be loaded with snow. This whole season is just going to be loaded with precipitation. So I am concerned about possible flooding in Sunday, maybe. And then there's thunderstorms in the forecast Friday, 44 degrees, 60% chance of thunderstorms. So that's even more concern if the river basins are already full and we're going to get snow and then rain on top of that. The ground is already saturated, so I'm just really concerned about possible flooding. You have to be prepared for that, especially, I would say, Sunday evening is when the rivers would crest, the creeks and streams. And then on Friday, with those possible thunderstorms, we could see downpours. It's a very weird pattern, a very, very strange pattern to be in. And you normally don't get thunderstorms in the wintertime around here. So we normally see snow. We're going to get some of that, but we're also just getting mixed seasons here. And it's definitely due to climate change. I definitely believe so. So really, that's all I have. We do expect to see a few inches of snow here with these two systems, about 3 to 4 inches on the Palouse here. Maybe a little bit more on the higher benches and with snow totals, but the snow will be melting pretty quickly over the next several days after that, as it's going to get in the 40s again with thunderstorms on Friday. So that's the forecast. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. You can see the water is really rushing really high. Very fast flowing water, a lot of it. Look at that. Raging. See those rocks under there? You could see those yesterday. Now you can't see them. It's shooting over. So let me just go down the line here. Look at this. Man, that water is high. Look how far it comes up to 2 feet from flood stage right now, guys. 2 feet. So if we get another bout of heavy rain, it's probably gonna spill over. There's a chance. Just be ready. Wow. Just wow. That water getting high, man.